In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to redeem Roblox gift card codes. Now in this section, what we need to do here is make sure that our account has been already logged in. So what we need to do right now is go to the homepage section. Now go to the browser and search for the roblox.com. So what we need to do here is use the site, just hit continue in browser, and you just have to log in your account here. Once you've already logged in, hit on continue in browser again, and what we need to do is hit on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner, and then go ahead and click on gift cards. And the section we need to do is, then once there, go ahead and click on redeem cards in the upper right. In this section, you need to do is type in the codes here, and once you type in the codes, click on this check mark and hit on redeem. Now in this section, you'll be provided by additional settings, informations about the gift cards and the codes. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.